Hey everyone, so I'm going to try doing ASMR while I fill my bath. So I always make sure there's something I like to laugh at while I'm in the bath because I don't like to be too serious. I put my crystals in with my salts just to charge them. If you're not into crystals, you might know what I'm talking about, but it works. Some lavender oil, some coconut oil because lavender helps shine your skin and relax you while coconut oil gives you nice smooth skin. Then I like to use some bath soap. Then what I do is I get my crystals in with my salt and I pour it into the water. I already had the water like fill in. I didn't record that bit. And then what I like to do is get my bubble bath. This one is really nice. I don't like to put too much in. I don't like there to be too much bubbles, but I like there to be enough just to soak in and relax. Then I put in 3 or 4 drops of lavender oil and a good spoonful of whatever oil I'm going to use. I have coconut oil. You could use olive oil. You could use baby oil, whatever works best for you. Then I went and got all my candles, and I like to have like 4 or 5 little candles hanging about. One for the smell and two to relax because I like to turn off the main light in the bathroom, have the candles going. My window doesn't have curtains, so some like street lights come in as well, make it nice and relaxing for myself. And I also like all the smells as well. They always make me feel really nice and relaxed, and proper relax me so I can actually sleep properly because I'm not sleeping well at the moment due to the lockdown and everything. Use whatever candle you have. This Vanilla Dream one, it was only £1 in B&M and it just smells so divine. It's only a little left, so I was getting all I could out of it because I absolutely love it. Then I have these little pot things. I always fill them with little candles as well, just to give an extra bit of the aroma and all relaxed. Next step is some wine. I don't do this every time, but I thought, why not treat myself? Have some rosé and have some little bottles. So I thought I'd treat my. But don't be fooled actually, because it was only like a third filled with wine, and then the other half was filled with 7 Up. So yeah. Then I went and got some sage, and I always like to keep some sage beside me while I'm in the bath to burn at the end, which I'll show you in a second. So you can see this little bit, and I keep it beside a candle. I'll show you what I do with that now in one moment. A face mask. I always think if my face mask has been on 20 minutes to a half an hour, it's when it starts to harden. That's when I know I've been in the bath enough time. So it kind of sets a timer for me. I need to stay in there and I need to relax for that amount of time. I love an extra steamy hot bath, honey. So that's why there's steam coming out. And I move the crystals so I don't sit in them and they get stuck anywhere. You know what I'm saying? So then I went in and I relaxed, had my bath with my wine, watched some Big Bang Theory. It makes me laugh, and just chilled out. Then for the last 5 minutes of my bath, I like to turn off whatever's playing in the background, burn my sage, get some crystals in my hand, and I like to just have my gratitude and say my prayers and different things I want for the following day and why I'm happy for that day, just like that 5 minutes to myself. If I don't have a bath, I do this like in my bedroom and stuff. But these are just a handful of my crystals I really wanted to charge for the future going on. Yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this little bath video. I also like to soak in the bath while the water's draining out to get rid of any bad energy. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this. Let me know if you want to see another one. I have loads of little bath trips. Thanks for watching.